Hello everyone, today it's time for another 3-minute card making hack, and this one is extremely exciting for me. It's something that I've been wanting to try out for a long time and it works, so I'm going to share it with all of you. Now, lots of patterned papers on the market, and this includes my own Textures brand, are actually printed with a toner type of ink. This means that most of them, or a lot of them, you can actually foil onto using a laminator. You do need the hot foils, so I've got the ones that came in with my We Are Memory Keepers foil quill. There's lots of other brands of hot foils on the market as well, lots available at CraftStash, we'll link down below. So I've got my Textures Sentiments for All paper pack, and that's because there's lots of black and white, lots of contrast, so the black should be the areas that pick up. So basically I think it's anywhere that's actually got ink printed. I'm not sure if it's just black. I need to do some more testing, but I'm so excited. I just want to get this card making hack out to you straight away, and then we'll advance on this and delve a little bit deeper into more details and more techniques later on. So I have got two pieces because I'm going to do this in both silver and gold. So I'm going to take a piece of copy paper. This is just plain printer paper to help guide my cardstock papers in. So let's just lay them in like so, and I've got myself some gold and some silver foil. Now I may need to just cut these down to fit them inside. You can get laminating pouches, so you don't need then to use the A4 card or paper folded in half, but I seem to have mislaid mine. So there's one, and then we've got the silver as well. Hopefully I don't need to trim that one down. No, there we go. Okay, so those placed on there, folding that over just to encase everything in. I don't want any foil there tucking out, so I'm just going to trim this end as well. If I can just get my scissors under there we go. And I'm going to run this through my laminating machine. It's already heated up, so I can just pop that through, and usually it takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute to get all the way through. So let's see the reveal. Should we go with the gold first? Now it looks as if everything has foiled down completely, but when you peel this off, look at that! Isn't that just absolutely amazing? Obviously the foil's going to capture the light, but you can see there, if I hold it up like this, how clear and how perfect that is for foiled sentiments. Let's take a look at the silver also. And peel this back. Yes, I love it. I really love it. I'm so excited by this. So definitely pick yourself up some of the Textures papers. Have a go with other brands that you've got at home as well. I think this is a fantastic one to keep in your stash. If you don't already have a laminator, it's well worth, again, adding that to your stash because there's so much more you can do with that for your crafting as well. I hope you enjoyed this 3-minute hack. Don't forget, of course, to shop for everything that I've mentioned here at CraftStash, and of course subscribe to the CraftStash YouTube channel for more tips and techniques for card making and paper craft like this.